Not sure how to get started in farming or homesteading? HOA laws keeping you down, not able to raise your own meat and protein for your family table? Have you considered rabbits? Rabbits are clean, quiet, and quite easy to raise. So in this class, we're gonna venture into all the different tricks, tips, farming hacks, and just general sage-old wisdom that I've picked up over 35 years of raising rabbits. I started them when I was 7 years old and then saved up enough money to build my house. They are very profitable, they're fun, and at the same time produce many alternative income streams from their manure to breeding stock. Whether it be just trying to be grocery independent or adding it to your farm business, rabbits are a great option if you're young or just young at heart. Join me and Farm Like a Lunatic as we go down the rabbit hole and give you the tools you need for success.